Donnie.
Hi. Hi.
Where's Chad?
Chad, come and get in the film.
All I can see is Donnie. Oh, there's Kyle.
Chad!
Hi, Kyle.
Come and get in the film. Come and get in the film.
I got the neighbors leaving in their car. I got here.
Donnie! Hey, Donnie! You're quiet.
Hi, Alice.
Hi. I'm little Donnie. What time?
What? Looks like you got a problem. Cold?
No.
I'll pull them up. I can't do it, Donnie. I'm sorry. I'm holding this.
1, 2, 3. Sorry.
Get her. Get out of there. I missed it.
What is she doing?
Looking at that friend with snow up.
Where is she?
Come on, build your snowman.
I did. Now we're going to make another one. Susie, I'll take your point. You build a different one. I want to make.
Why, Donnie? Because she's already started that one?
I started out him.
Keep out of the street. Not at the camera.
Hello.
Not at the camera.
Not at the camera, but at her.
Not at me. Hi, Adam.
You shorted out and messed it up. That's too expensive.
And Casey. And Davy is now on the film. Hello, Davy. Wave at me. Smile, you're on Candy Camera. Hello, Adam. Ah! I can see it coming. I just don't know where it's at.
Your hip.
I know. I felt it.
Whoa.
Okay, where's our lovely snowman? There's our lovely snowman.
No, Chad.
Oh, I got you, Davy.
Oh.